Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Android Data Recovery. In this video, I am going to fix Telegram says too many attempts, please try again later on Android. So, if you are facing the same problem, then this video will surely help you in fixing it. So, without wasting any further time, let's start the video. But before heading towards the solutions, make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Now, let's move on to fix Telegram error too many attempts, please try again later with 5 best fixes. Solution 1, restart your Telegram app. Sometimes, temporary snags with the Telegram app can cause various errors including too many attempts error. Therefore, it is suggested to relaunch this game app once to get rid of this error and to make the app working again. Solution 2, clear Telegram app cache and data. When obsolete cache files accumulate in large quantities, it hinders the basic app functionality, such as too many attempts. Thankfully, Telegram offers a dedicated in-app menu to clear cache files. For this, you have to navigate to Settings, Hen Apps and Notifications or App Management. Here you will see all apps and find the Telegram. On the Apps page, choose Storage, and then Clear Storage or Clear Data. Finally, restart your phone. Solution 3, check date and time on your phone. Usually, some apps check and confirm the time on devices to validate and perform certain tasks. If the date and time on your Android device don't match the actual time according to the location, this Telegram error appears. Go to the phone's settings, then Additional Settings. Tap on the Date and Time option. Now, enable the Automatic Date and Time option. Or you can also set the date and time manually according to your location. Solution 4, wait for 24 hours and try again. This error could be because your account might be blocked for some time due to trying to log in using an incorrect password a lot of times. If this is the case, we request you try logging into Telegram after 24 hours. You can try to log into your Telegram account from another smartphone device if you have to use it urgently. Solution 5, uninstall and reinstall Telegram app. It's possible that the Telegram app you are using contains some issues or bugs due to which you're facing verification code problem. Uninstalling and reinstalling the app could work for you. To uninstall app, find the Telegram app on your device's home screen. Then, long press on it, and tap on Uninstall option. Now follow the steps to install Telegram app. Go to Google Play Store, and type Telegram in search box. Click on Telegram, and then on Install option. To proceed further, click on Accept after reviewing the app permission. Now open the app, set up your account and see if the problem is solved or not. So, this is all about fixing Telegram says too many attempts, please try again later. If you found this video useful, then give it a like, share it and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel to watch more useful videos. Thanks for watching.